Hello student. So today I am going to teach you the earth in the solar system. Okay, first of all we should know what is the term earth means. Earth is a biosphere where all living beings and non-living things are exist. For example, in living beings there are human beings, plants and animals. And in non-living things there are man-made things like roads, vehicles and buildings. As you all know that now, it is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, it is the third nearest planet to the sun and it is slightly flattened at the poles. Now, what is poles? Look at here. This is our earth and this is our poles. This is our north pole and this is our south pole. In north pole there is flattened and in south pole also there is flattened. And in the middle it is bulgy, right? Its shape is known as geode and the earth is also known as a blue planet. Why? Because our earth is also known as blue planet. Why? Because the earth's surface is covered with water body. The 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water body. That's why we call our earth is a blue planet. Now we will know what is solar system, right? What is solar system? It is the collection of 8 planets, the sun, the moon, asteroid and many meteoroids. That is known as solar system, right? Now we will proceed to our next topic and that is celestial body. What is celestial body? The all shining objects are known as celestial bodies. For example, the sun, the moon and the star. These 3 objects are known as celestial body. Now we will proceed to our next topic and that is star. What is star? Star is made up of many gases, right? Many gases and it have their own heat and light. Now we will proceed to our next point and that is constellation. What is constellation? The various pattern formed by different groups of stars. These are known as constellation. For example, Ursa Major, Big Bear or we can say Saptarishi also. Now look at here. This is the diagram of the Ursa Major, Big Bear or Saptarishi. Look at here. Here star number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 stars. That's why it is called a Saptarishi, means 7 rishis. Right. Now we will proceed to our next point and that is pole star. What is pole star? The north star which indicates the north direction. Okay, that is known as pole star. Okay, let me tell you a small story. In ancient period, peoples are waiting for night time to look at the pole star, means north star, and they know that where they are and where they have to move in the next morning. Okay, that is known as pole star. Next we will proceed to our next topic and that is planets. Okay. Now what is planet? It is a celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light. In our solar system we have 8 planets and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And before 2016 there was 9 planets including Pluto. And after 2016, scientists has proved that Pluto is a dwarf planet. Okay, clear? Now we will proceed to our next topic and the next topic is the sun. What is sun? It is made up of hot gases. Right, it is made up of hot gases, means different hot gases, and it is in the center of the solar system. Right, it is the center of our solar system and distance from the sun to earth is 150 million kilometer. Okay, clear? Now we will proceed to our next topic and that is orbit. What is orbit? Planets which move around the sun in their fixed path. That is known as orbit. Now we will proceed to our next topic and that is the moon. Okay, what is moon? Our earth has only one satellite and that is moon. And moon is also a celestial body. Okay, it takes 27 days to complete a round. Okay, Now, the distance from the moon to earth is 3,84,400 kilometers. Understood? Now we will proceed to our next topic, and that is asteroids. What is asteroids? Asteroids are tiny bodies, or we can say some tiny particles which comes from in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Clear? Now we will proceed to our next topic, and that is meteoroids. What is meteoroids? Small pieces of rocks which revolves around our solar system or inside our solar system. That is meteoroids. Now, what is Milky Way galaxy? It is the rivers of stars, as we all know. And in ancient period, people are saying that this is Akash Ganga. Okay, clear? Now we will proceed to our next topic, and that is galaxy. What is galaxy? It is the collection of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. Gases means different gases. Okay, now we will proceed to our next topic, and that is universe. What is universe? The millions of such galaxy made a universe. Now this chapter has completed. Go and solve MCQs in LRNR app and download the LRNR app from the link, which link is given in your description box. And if you are having any kind of doubt regarding this chapter, then you can ask me in the comment box, and I will solve your doubts, any kind of doubt, next video.